Super easy, y'all. You can even add like a little bump if you want to take it there. Now, if you want to give this the bumps that your mama used to give you back in the day when you was like in the 5th grade, we can take it there too. You know, the styles always come back. I just want to say thank y'all for 80,000 subscribers. I think we're at like 888, which is giving me very much abundance. My YouTube channel, I don't want it to be curated, so it's going to be whatever you guys want me to do. I'm going to be reading the comments, and from what I saw on my Instagram page, if you haven't already, go check out my video. The girls is blowing it up, okay? They love this, you know, protective style. I don't know what these are called, like lock coils, but the girls is blowing that video up all because of my hair and of course the outfit. You know, you can't forget about the outfit. I'm really just going to be posting on my YouTube channel as an extended version of my Instagram. So whatever the girls are telling me they want to see on my Instagram page, I'll do the extended version on my YouTube channel. And plus, you know, YouTube, you get to see my personality a little bit more. Yeah, and it's just not, you know, Instagram can be kind of fake, you know. Now I came over here to not be super curated and, you know, aesthetically pleasing. So today, y'all, I'm going to be showing you all how I did this style that you see in this video right here. The girls is going to eat this up. Now this style, a lot of people with natural locks do this all the time, especially when they have super long locks. This is just another method for them to shorten it without having to actually cut their locks. I personally never thought to do this on my, you know, knotless braids until I saw a hairstylist on Instagram. I think she was on my explore page. She was doing it on her clients' faux locks. Now, I personally do not get faux locks because I'm allergic to the hair. Like, it eats my scalp up. Like, it feels like my whole head is inside of an ant bed. No lie. Like, it's itchy, it burns. Like, I don't know what's in that Marley hair or whatever they're using these days. But it ain't for me, so I left it alone. But I do, you know, I can get jiggy with, you know, the regular degular. So yeah, let's hop right on into it because I do not want this video to be an hour long. I'm basically going to show you guys one or two, and then I'm going to kind of like just start a whole nother conversation and keep this thing going. I like to start off the top. I don't want to be super bulky, so I did 6 braids and I split them into 2. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfection. We're going to do 2, 2, and 2. And I'm just going to braid this all the way down until like my collarbone maybe, because I want it to give me like a blunt bob effect. So we're gonna braid down till about right here. All I'm doing, y'all, I'm taking this and I'm gonna put my pointer finger right here, flip this up, and we're gonna start twisting it around like it's a faux lock. And this is my method. You know, I'm not a loctician. I don't do natural styles or anything like that. I just found, you know, a super simple way to get the look, and I'm gonna stick beside them. And I'm just wrapping like a faux lock, because this, like I said, mine has human hair in it, so I'm not really trying to tangle my hair for real. Once I get to like this amount, I'm gonna wrap it back a little bit. I'm just gonna tie like a mini, not really a knot, but half a knot. That's what we're gonna call it, a half a knot. And I tuck this down. The hair is literally sitting back here. I'm gonna take my good old Got To Be, spray that down, you know, do a little rubby rub. And literally when I take these out, y'all, it's gonna be like a curl effect. Oh, this looks good. Girl, you look good. You look good, girl. Okay, but we're not gonna stay in here all day. If you want to put a rubber band around it, feel free. If you want to put a bobby pin, feel free. I'm not doing all that. This is not a long-term hairstyle for me. I'm gonna keep this in maybe a day or two, and then I'm gonna take it out and maybe have some curls, and then boom, on to the next YouTube video. I'm not about to play with y'all. So I normally try to do the first 2 in the front, so that everything is even. 2, 4, 6, there we go. I definitely like for at least the top to be even. Now the back, I don't care about the back. The back will look like anything. So don't expect me to give y'all, you know, Paul Mitchell status. We're not doing that. Although that is where I graduated from, Paul Mitchell Academy. We want these to be even, so let's go down a little bit more. And we're gonna do the same thing, y'all. Pinch it. You can even pinch this at the bottom to hold it. I said, tie the little knot. Boom and bam. Got to be. Y'all, so the first two are done. I will be posting content based on what y'all asked me for, okay? Because I can do everything, okay? Anything you ask, I got you. No idea, my camera stopped recording, y'all, but I've done 1, 2, 3, 4. Hopefully it doesn't turn off again. And you can also do twists, but I feel like for what I have, it's better to just do braids to better suit my the style that I currently have. Now, if you have locks, do the twist as you please, the 2-strand twist as you please. And I prefer my hair a little messy, y'all, so don't come for me if you see some flyaways, if you see a slight imperfection. Baby, I don't care, okay? I prefer the boho look, I only do super clean looks if I'm going for like a sleek look. This is giving me very much, Cleopatra, goddess vibes. I'm not looking to be, the Queen of England. My hair doesn't need to be slick. So don't come for me if you see something sticking out. It's okay. I still look cute. Period. Same concept, y'all. We're wrapping. And I'm gonna tie this little knot. Boom, bam. Got to be glue. Period. Super easy, y'all. You can even add like a little bump if you want to take it there. Now, if you want to give this the bumps that your mom used to give you back in the day when you was like in the 5th grade, we can take it there too. The styles always come back. Like I said, we're gonna do, well, up here I'm gonna take a couple because I made this one very chunky. So we're gonna comb this out. I'm gonna make sure my braid is tight so it can be flat. Not tight where it's pulling your scalp and you got a headache, but you don't want the braid to be sloppy going down. I'm gonna braid this all the way down. Make sure y'all can see what's going on. And some people layer theirs, but I don't want to do all that. So we're going to stop right here. You're going to push this up, pinch, and begin wrapping, y'all. It's super easy. Super easy. Okay, y'all, I am finished. My camera kept cutting off on me, y'all. I guess I gotta do a better job at charging it when I'm trying to do a tutorial. But like I said, y'all, I don't like my hair super neat. I like mine slightly messy, so you might see a little bit of, flyaway strays. But overall, I love this style. I'm gonna continue to do this whenever I get long braids, because y'all know I like my braids past my behind, okay? So just expect to see some of this going on all the time. But yes, if you like this video, let me know in the comments. If you have any ideas for hair tutorials or any type of fashion content, lifestyle content that you would like to see, drop it below. And I'm going to try to have my influencing content up, because I do want to let you guys know the behind the scenes of what it's like being a successful influencer. But yeah, follow me on Instagram, Aisha the Great, TikTok, Aisha the Great, Facebook, Aisha the Great, Pinterest, Aisha the Great, Twitter, Aisha the Great. I'm on every platform. Follow me. Bye.